So hi guys, welcome here. So here's the trip heading to Erin-ijesha in the land of Elisha, Osun State. And to be honest, the journey has been so stressful so far. Like for how many hours? Like I think 2 to 3 hours getting there. As you can see, look at I'm actually filming from inside the car we're in, and to be honest, it was fun. Please just ignore my hair. It was actually a very stressful journey, so that was how I landed like this. I'm sorry.
So we're actually stepping in. This is the parking space. We're actually at the parking space. And so we are going in right now. So guys, catch you later. Mwah.
So we literally have a lot of people here trying to head in. We are at the registration place making registry of the tickets. How beautiful these horses are. And then I need to try one. I need to try it. Oh guys, we are in. Oh my god. Look at us. We're going in. So guys, this is where the journey begins of climbing upstairs and the likes. We have like close to like 30 something stairs to climb. We're always just going to go up and up and up, but it's easy coming down. Like you can see the stairs. We just started the journey, and well, I was so lucky to get someone playing music for us. And when I started dancing, it was actually in my native language, which is Akwa Ibom. And I just had to just give them what I know to do, just to ease the stress. And guys, we actually tried coming down from there and headed towards. So we actually used music climbing up the hill. Guys, it has been fantastic. I'm telling you.
I'm going to play music for you.
So this is our music actually. So you can see that in the hand. Yeah.